Emily. It's been a little while since my last video. Just finished another year of school, lots of tests, and lots of fun end-of-year activities. On the way, we stopped for gas in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Gas is 40 cents a gallon cheaper here. Murfreesboro is home to Middle Tennessee State University. It's also the actual middle of Tennessee. There's even an obelisk marking the geographic center of the state. We drove through a lot of rain as we headed north. The rain didn't stop us until we reached Louisville, Kentucky. Looks like a nice mid-sized town. We are about to cross the Ohio River on this brand new bridge. On the other side is the state of Indiana. A smothered burrito at Chili's? We don't have this in Georgia. Flags are at half-staff in Indiana as longtime Senator Richard Lugar has just passed away. We have finally arrived in Indianapolis. Data has a race tomorrow. 25,000 people participating. It will take a little time to find his name. Next door is Lucas Oil Stadium, home to the Indianapolis Colts. They are very proud of Peyton Manning, soon to be in the Hall of Fame. Checking out more of downtown, here is Monument Circle. Here's the state capitol. Abraham Lincoln looking a little scary here. Nice view from our hotel room, 5 minutes away. The next day, while me and Mama were nice and dry in the hotel room, Dada enjoyed a rainy 55-degree, 13.1-mile tour of Indianapolis. The lap around the speedway was pretty cool, though.
Yes, it was.
Time to leave, going a different way home through Cincinnati. Still raining as we reach the state of Ohio. Time for a quick stop at the mall. Bass Pro Shops is pretty busy. But the thing about this mall is it's abandoned, but still open. Dad was going to go inside. It's still open, but some vandalization changed his mind. Just this fitness center is all that's open. What else can we see in Cincinnati?
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice.
Nice view of Cincinnati if it wasn't raining. Actually, this is a train station. Pretty neat looking on the inside. that's it. Off and on rain the whole weekend. We'll see you soon. Bye.